employer or the company responsible to pay all the fines comes to the worker if the company fails to register, to finish, finalize the visa process, the labor contract, and anything related to the work permit. If the company does not process the work permit for the worker after the offer letter, then the contract, then the blood test, and all the document necessary to done this visa, they are responsible with all the fines. The reason is the company is responsible as the regulations of immigration and ICP and the labor law. When they bring the worker to the work or they hire him, they are responsible to pay the visa cost. As we agreed before, as per the law, they are responsible to pay all of this money. If they delay to do this visa, the worker has nothing to do with that, because the worker is waiting for his work permit. The worker is waiting for the labor contract to start working. The worker needs the visa to be legal with the company. So if they delay, they are responsible for every single dirham of the fine. Now, when is the worker could be responsible? If the company asks him to provide document and he fails to provide the document. They ask me for my passport, let's say copy, not original, but my passport expired. They need an original passport, they need a valid passport, and I cannot provide. So whose mistake? Mine, because the company cannot go to your consulate and renew. You should go to the consulate and renew. If the company needs your degree and you cannot provide a degree, and that certain work, the position of work, needs a degree, then you are responsible to provide that and attest that. Okay? Otherwise, they cannot do anything. They cannot process your visa. They might offer you another job, which is maybe could be if you are a manager, they offer you as a sales, and you will disagree. Then there is no liability on the company. So there are some requirements. But if they don't process your visa, they don't do your after the offer letter, and they do not process your visa, and you enter to the fine because you had a visa before, you cancelled, or you came to amend the visit visa with the work permit, and then they did not process and continue within the limited 60 days, they are responsible for each single amount. And you should complain to the immigration, to the labor, if it's immigration fines, absconding, which is overstay, we are saying, or any fines from the labor, you should complain. Even if you have your work permit, your labor card, they did not process, then the labor card expired, and then there's a fine, they are responsible about that labor card fine. Same goes to the insurance, if it's related to the visa, and there's a fines on insurance, same Al Ain, Abu Dhabi, and other Emirates, they are responsible for that fine. Therefore, open your eyes, make sure you monitor, you check carefully this process from beginning till the end till you obtain the visa. If they delay, you have to report that. If you gave them few days, it's fine, but after that you have to report, you have to call the labor, you have to follow up, do the following. Any question, any comment, you can send me, you can talk to me on live. This is exactly what is clear to you. They have to be responsible if they don't process. From your side, make sure you are committing with what they ask and they need. After that, keep everything in writing, make sure everything in message, keep your evidences ready for the fines waiving. Thank you very much and have a great day.